When I needed my meat to rest, I've always used a cooler wrapped in foil, butcher paper, and I've done that for so many years, right? And I know there's new methods of resting your meat, but if you don't have those methods like, you know, in a warmer, sometimes people put them in the oven to rest. I know you have to like calculate the oven to where it has to be lower temperature than what it can go. But I was on Amazon just looking, and it just popped up. This right here, BBQ Meat Blanket. So I looked at it, read the reviews, it's 4.7. It measures 16 by 10 by 10. And review says that it works well. So I bought it. Original price was $24, and I got it for, I believe it was 10 bucks. Sales and all that. So though they do have ones that are really literally a blanket, and you just put your meat in there. But this right here is more of a bag, and you can carry meat in there. So like I said, 16 by 10 by 10, and I think, I mean, that it'll hold well amount of meat. So I was like, you know what? I'll always use a cooler. I'm not going to use an oven, you know, warmer. Let me give this a try. It has a 4-layer insulation, a thick aluminum foil. So I was like, you know what? Get it. So I'm going to be trying it out in this video. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it keeps the meat warm or hot. It's supposed to say it's supposed to keep it hot, keep it moist, tender. So we'll find that out and see if this is legit right here. So without further ado, I'm gonna put the meat in there. I'm gonna let it rest for 2 hours because I got some beef down ribs, and then we'll see if it lives up to what is described. Right, here it is. I got my meat, beef ribs wrapped, butcher paper. So all you do, place it in there, zip it up, just like that. So it's supposed to keep it hot, right? Juicy, tender. So we'll see about that. So in 2 hours we'll be back. It's been 2 hours, so let's check it out and see if it works. Now, normally they say if you're gonna use a cooler, right, you would wrap it up in a towel or something, you know. But you don't do that. You just put it in there like this. I'll say the top is cool, the bottom is warm, not hot. So there's that. Now another thing was supposed to be just tender, juicy. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's, doesn't feel dry, I mean, but mostly once we slice into it, right? I'll give you the side on it. What do you think? I mean, it's not hot. It's warm. I mean, this one, well, there's still fat in there. It was good. But as to say, being juicy coming out. Well, this pulled right off, so. I mean, it's not dry. It's not hard. So, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll try it again with something else. Ribs or brisket, but for right now, I say pass on it. Pass on it.